So guys, welcome to my vlog. This is my first time vlog. So lakad po kami ngayon at magliligo at mag-swim. Meron pa akong mga kasama guys. Please subscribe nyo po ang channel ni Sharon.
Boom! Thumbs down! Thumbs down!
Sorry guys, support sa akin. First time ko kasi mag-vlog guys. Please subscribe nyo yung channel ni Sharon po. Thank you guys. Watch, tingnan nyo lang mamaya guys. So guys, kaabot na rin kami guys. Look at my friends. Okay. Ang view nila dito guys. Look at this. Pwede rin kayo dito mag party but now wag muna kasi COVID-19. Ito po, kailangan social distancing. Mag-entrance na kami guys. Look at this. I'm so excited to see you. Meron po tayong mga hero dito guys. So from Batman at Spider-Man. Meron din tayong Donald Duck. Thank you so much. Welcome back. Ali, tutor kayo kahit hindi pa kami nagka-entrance. Kailangan natin magmuna guys para lang sa gagawin natin vlog. So dito, kailangan natin magdaan dito. Ang ganda ng view guys. Ang sarap ng view dyan guys. Slow mo, din na yung mga gagan. So guys, welcome. So ito na. Dito na tayo ngayon. Sarap ng buhay dito guys. At dami, tingnan nyo ang mga bulaklak dito. Merong mga nest. Merong mga pugad ng mga ibon. Kasi kailangan mo kumuha ng itlog. Napakalapit lang guys. Ganito lang. Kunin mo na itlog agad. So mamaya punta tayo sa mga animals. Tulad ng dinosaur, zebra, like this. Go! Ito na kapag tapang ni zebra guys. Meron din tayong dinosaur. Ang bait na nito. Look at this. Ang bait-bait naman. Thank you so much guys. Mamaya laro tayo rito. Akyat tayo rito. Kailangan namin babalik kasi hindi pa po kami actually nakahanap ng aming cottage. So kailangan ko muna itong tapusin.
A few moments later.
Guys, ito na guys, nakaligo na kami guys. Look at this. Woo! Look guys. So guys, napakailangan nyo guys. Look at this. Ay, sorry guys. So, ngayon, gagawin natin. Tuturuan ko kayo paano maglangoy. You can jump and you can straight your body. You can raise your hand and dive like this. So guys, that's how you jump. Thank you. Ah. Thank you. So guys, welcome back. Nakatapos naman maligo guys. So it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for watching, and then please subscribe and click this button, and don't forget to like and share. Thanks so much. So that yeah, thank you so much.